Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I'm going to do an unboxing on my wallet that I picked up from Louis Vuitton today. This is the Clemence wallet that I picked up, and before I actually do the unboxing, I like to give a little story behind my thought process on purchasing this particular item, because I feel that in my case I plan ahead of time and I save up my money way ahead of time before actually making a big purchase, like going to any designer place to purchase an item, whether it's a handbag, a wallet, or any type of accessories or anything. I always plan ahead of time. I think about the item and go ahead and purchase it. So yeah, regarding the Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet, I decided to go with this because I really like the format of it. I like how simple and just everything's just nicely laid out with the Clemence wallet. So that's why I decided to go with the Louis Vuitton Clemence. And because it's very familiar to me, it reminds me a lot of a wallet that I used to have when I was in college. I mean, of course, the one that I had when I was in college was not a Louis Vuitton. It was actually a paper chase wallet. And they don't even make like Paper Chase doesn't even make wallets anymore. They just do like office supply type items now. But yeah, that wallet, I really liked it. I really liked the layout of that wallet, and this Clemence wallet by Louis Vuitton reminded me a lot of that layout. And I tried looking at other different fashion houses. I tried looking at Gucci and Chanel, and I know Chanel has a zip around wallet with that similar layout as the Clemence, but I don't know, I really didn't like it. It really didn't catch my attention, and plus this was cheaper than the Chanel one. And but yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So they gave me like this cute little bag, which is so cute. And I bought the wallet in the Louis Vuitton store that's inside of Bloomingdale's. So I always try to purchase my Louis Vuitton items at that Bloomingdale's location, because I don't know if other parts in the world, but here in the United States, Bloomingdale's, like, you can do like a whole like Bloomingdale has a whole reward system. So like with each dollar you purchase, you get points and you get discounts, and it's just so good and convenient as a shopper. So I always try to make my Louis Vuitton or Gucci purchases inside the Bloomingdale's that's close to my location. But yeah, I was very lucky to find this wallet in that Louis Vuitton that's inside of the Bloomingdale's, so that way I was able to get some points in my Bloomingdale's card, and next time I can continue and get some discounts and stuff. So that's always like a win-win situation. But yeah, this is the receipt right here. And this is the cute little box that it came in, and this is the wallet, and this is it. And it's so nice and sleek and pretty. I got it in the fuchsia color, the monogram print, and this is the inside. And then there's these little stickers that always come inside the Louis Vuitton items. But yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase, and I wanted to make this video as soon as possible because I really want to start using this wallet. But yeah, I'm really happy. And like I said, this wallet, like this layout that has the 8 credit card slots, like the bill compartments, like this whole layout reminds me so much of the wallet that I used to have when I was in college. And I haven't really been able to find a wallet like this one, so I'm really excited to use this and see the quality of a Louis Vuitton wallet. This is also my first Louis Vuitton wallet, so I'm really interested in seeing the quality and the longevity, the wear and tear of Louis Vuitton wallets. So yeah, this is a really pretty wallet. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.